A pre-owned 2019 Ford. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and a six-speed shiftable O transmission. This Ford has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.